Hey Russell fam, in today's video we're going to do a day in the life. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. I'm a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. We also have a blog which is russellslovinglife.com. There I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. And if you are new, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. Hey Russell fam, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a day in the life with us. And as you can tell, I just woke up. I got Mike's lunch packed. I got him off to work and now I am getting ready to go have some coffee. I am currently in the middle of a 40-hour fast. This is my longest fast ever. I have been doing intermittent fasting and keto for a while. I will leave a playlist up here if you want to see part of my journey from last year. Once all of the madness happened, I kind of got off my keto and my intermittent fasting, but now I'm trying to get back on it. So I am probably going to cut it off about 42, 43 hours into my fast. I'm not hungry at all, but I don't want to go any longer than that. I don't want to push it to 48. I probably could, but I'm just going to cut it off and I will show you my final time here. When I get there. And so I just wanted to share my morning with you. This is what I do. The kids are asleep right now. I'm fixing to go get my coffee and then I'm fixing to start doing some work with the blog and with the YouTube channel. All right, this is our U.S. Wellness Meats pork, ground pork that I just put in here, and it comes not seasoned, so I add in all the seasons to make it sausage, and I just showed you that. So now we're going to get this all mixed up, and we're going to make some patties. While the sausage is browning, here is an update on the bread. Today is March the 13th, and y'all, there is still no mold on this store-bought bread. If you're wondering why I'm showing you this, I will leave a link in the iCard above. now that the kitchen is clean, it is time to get all of our schoolwork ready. Becca is done with school, and so now I'm fixing to get Bailey's stuff ready. But first, I wanted to show you that I am ending my 43-hour fast. I made it that long, and I could make it longer. I'm not hungry. I just don't want to. And anytime you are fasting and do a long fast, you want to break it with a fat. So I am breaking it with an avocado. I'm going to finish this, and then I'll show you getting Bailey's schoolwork ready. Here is an update on the garden. Here are the purple whole peas. And I finally got the butter beans planted here. My mind went blank. Butter beans. And then I got our green beans planted here. And hopefully this weekend we can get the tomatoes planted. It is supposed to rain again today. So the ground is like super wet. We are getting a lot of rain, but I was able to get that done. So there's the update on the garden. All right, we are done with school and everything, and now it is time to run some errands. There's Becca.
Hi.
There's Bailey.
Hi.
We just pulled up at karate and Bailey's getting ready for his instructor class. And Becca is student of the week this week. Go Becca! All right, we are back from karate. We are done with supper and I'm fixing to get the kids in bed. And then I'm going to call it a night because I am tired. It has been one busy day. Thanks for coming along with us on our day in the life. I love sharing these videos with you because I love watching them as well, because every homeschool is different. Some homeschools have schedules, some have routines, and that's what we have. We have a basic routine. There is no set time that we do things unless it is going to extracurricular activities. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.